Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Today we'll talk about SQL, Scale, targets, updates with my customer Seb. What's going on now, guys? This updates for everyone who skip it. The video what I posted in Psalm 23. Yes, a few guys asked it in the comment section. Can you post the video about SQL, guys? And guys, you can just simply, if you're interested in, go to Telegram channel, type the ticker name and find the bull run plan for that token, because many tokens still in accumulation zones, which was in Zone 23, Zone 24, guys. So this is a fee what I didn't touch since Zone 23, and absolutely everything still relevant. So we are just inside 27 block. So it's 0.088 and 0.3 cents at 32. So this one. That's how I'm going to post the video here. Even the mark by range, it's 574 days. We've been in the accumulation zone since May 22 here. After that, we're out of 27 block. Close the weekly gap. Done. Come back to the monthly gap. Done. And technically we spent here like 1,190 days. The targets for the SQL, if the exchanges will not delete this token, if everything will be okay with this one, it's a sweep of actual highs around 2.5 billion market capitalization, 50 cents. Almost all tokens in circular supply, 82%. 5.78 billion tokens. I don't think so. We're gonna hit $1 like 5.778 billion market capitalization. I don't think so. But in most positive case scenario, guys, it's a new all-time high by market capitalization. It's a sweep of these actual highs around 2.5 billion market capitalization. 2.5. It means around 50 cents. The highest point of the market capitalization being like 1 billion market cap. At, if we double check here, this one. This is how the supply affect the price. So huge price, not so big market capitalization. A lot of new tokens in the market, market capitalization skyrocket, the price not. So that's the point, guys. Fundraising rounds for that token, 0.2034 a seed round. That guy's still in profit like 1,200% case. I don't think so. Somebody still hold it since it's on 18. I guess they're already out of that token. 207% from the strategic round, 272% from private round in zone 18. And ICO rounds in 55% in the profit. So now, guys, the reward is open to take profit line on the weekly time frame. It's 6 cents 70. Guys, also, it's not necessary. So we will go into 2.5 level by 2.5 billion market capitalization. It's just my most positive basically target what I posted for this video for this token in Zone 23. Markets changed so much in the last 2 years. That's why I'm not sure we're gonna hit this target. If we will, I think it will be the end of cycle for this token. That's it. So basically, we're consolidating in this range, come back again inside this range. We just bounce it from the buy line on the daily here. Bounce it from the buy line in April. Consolidate, grab all liquidity, buy, sell. And now we go higher. It was on a daily. On a weekly time frame, still no signal to sell. That's why the reward is open to 6 cents and 8 cents, 86. This target. Weekly time frame. In theory, we just start from the trend line. Looks like we passed the downtrend. Maybe yes. So the most positive case, guys, if we will see something like this one and go high, and we'll never come back to that targets again, guys. So this is a local target. It's in first zone. We're more than okay to fix a profit. 6 cents, 69. Exit line 764 and 18 level FIB 888. This is it. Let's double check, guys, with trade on, sell, buybacks. No main signal to buy. Main one was, and the last one was here in April at the bottom at 1 cent 65. Now nothing. No signal to sell, no signal to fix a profit. ADZ direction, no signal to out of the token, so I think we will go higher a little bit, something like this one, like usual 3 drives pattern, and it can be like 1 and maybe 3. So also guys, 34 cents, also possible like end of cycle for this token, because it will be like a new all-time high by market capitalization also. Take a look by gains. If we count from the low, it will be like 2000% gains. Just in case, guys. So build the realistic price targets. And if you want to accumulate now at 4 cents, of course, we're ready. Pump it like 200%. That's why, or you accumulate now for long run, right? Or you wait the correction, retest of this downtrend line, or you just keep this token. Pretty simple, guys. If you're already in this token, I'm not recommended to do something. Just wait your targets, but wait conservative price targets. For example, it's just my personal opinion, guys. 34, 23 LBFIP sweep of this high, what we live it in March 2022, and 2.5 billion market capitalization. Now no signals to out of this token, only accumulation being here all the same period since February 2025. The wealth accumulated in that range. So the range was a pretty tiny one here. 3 cents and 1 cent. So 2 cents differences, the wealth accumulate that time. Now no divergence, nothing on the ADZ. Direction indicator on the daily, guys. Also, even on the daily after 200% pump, no signal to sell yet. Take a look. Market mode. Yes, Aphria on daily, not that big like it was in December 2024. The size of that Aphria. Weekly time frame, just a optimism, just a positive on the market. So nothing special, guys. I hope this time it's the same situation like it was here. So this belief and this is a hope. After that, we pump it from 2 cents 58 to 13.57. So now the same capitulation, hope, and would be good to see the higher targets. That's it. Based on the market mode. Money power. Main money inflow being here in June 2024. At 5 cents, 4 cents for 78, 3 cents 59. So in average, it could be like, I don't know, 4 cents. That's why more likely at 8 cents, that guys who accumulated here, in average, they will withdraw initial deposit. And we'll see probably we'll see the correction. And now no signals to sell or take profit. Here was a bullish MACD divergence, bullish RSI divergence, now nothing. And the last indicator, guys, take profit, I already showed this one. So guys, this is just an update, just an educational purpose. I recommend you go and check, the first video what I posted in 2023 to understand the logic, because based on that video, all this range, 5 cents range, it was the investments accumulation zone. Fixation is 34 and crazy positive case scenario 50 cents. I don't believe in $1 for SQL. Guys, if you'd like to trade as my customer, because I would have showed on this video, just write me DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.